Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Cadillac CT5, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water to help remove any contaminants that the lens may have. If you weren't able to remove all the contaminants just using the slip solution, you can also use tank solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol 70% mixed with distilled water. This will help remove those remaining contaminants that you may still have on the lens. But if you're able to remove everything with just the slip solution, then you should be good. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens, get a clean microfiber towel, and start removing all the contaminants that the headlight may have, and also clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants on the adhesive side of the film. And if you do happen to have any harsh contaminants on the lens, instead of spraying the tank solution to the lens, you would just spray it to the microfiber towel, and you would just remove the contaminants that you weren't able to remove with the slip solution. And then once you're done prepping the lens, we can start with the installation. Okay, so once we finish with the prep, we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure we align this section of the film to the edge right here. So just place the film down and align it right on the edge right here, right before the curve of the headlight. So it's only covering the face right here. And because it is a small area to work with around this section here, you will need to secure a good amount of this section of the headlight in order to secure it, and that way once we stretch it doesn't slip or move out of position. So lift it carefully, apply tank solution underneath around this area here, make sure to keep it aligned, apply tank solution on the top, and make sure it stays aligned, and just start tightening down to secure it. Secure this whole entire section of the front headlight here. And something you can do in order to help the adhesive activate faster is applying a little bit of heat. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and this stays secured around this area here. So if the film is not tacking down or not securing, like I mentioned, you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting, apply heat throughout this entire section. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. So now that we have this section secured, all we need to do is just stretch the film in order to reach it to the edge, and that way we help remove these fingers that are located right here. So apply slip solution underneath the film and just stretch it from here. You could place your hand here, that way this stays secure just in case, and then stretch. And now you notice that the fingers we had here disappear, and we stretch it to the edge right here. So the film should look like something like this, reaching into the edge right here. So just tack it down section by section. Apply tack solution here and tack it down. So just quickly lift it, apply tack solution, and place it back down. Make sure it stays flat. Spread the fingers. Grab your squeegee. Apply tack solution down on top and tack it down to secure. And then slowly work your way to this end. Hold it and stretch. And something you can do to help remove the fingers that you may have on the bottom and on top is apply tack solution, grab your heat gun, and apply heat to shrink the fingers. Apply heat evenly. And a trick you can do to help it tack down is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and then squeegee like this. So squeegee at an angle going like this, and then same for the top. And then if you need to hold the finger for a couple seconds, just hold it like this, apply a little bit of pressure. That will help the adhesive activate faster. And now everything is flat around this area, and just do the same on this section or wherever else you see fingers. Apply heat, shrink them, and then tack them down. And that's pretty much it. Once you finish installing and double checking and making sure that there's no more fingers, the last thing to do is to pulse heat the entire film. That will help the adhesive activate faster. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tint, the last thing to do is to pulse heat. So just grab your tack solution, spray it all around the lens, and we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film in case it is still lifting around the edges, and also it would help absorb any solution that's trapped around the edges. While we're doing that, we're going to be applying heat to help the adhesive activate faster, and also just to help remove any fingers that are still lifting. We just tack them down. So make sure you apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. You can use the highest setting, just be careful not to focus on one area for too long, that way you don't want to accidentally burn the film. So take your time, apply heat, microfiber towel, tack it down, make sure you're good. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Cadillac CT5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Check out our other products for the CT5. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.